In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay charts in TradingView. Overlaying or comparing charts is a powerful way to spot relationships, confirm signals, and see market context at a glance. We'll keep it simple and fast so you can start using it in your own workflow right away. First, look to the top toolbar of your TradingView chart. Find the small square icon that looks like a grid of panels. This is the layout selector. It controls how many charts appear on your screen and how they're arranged. Click that square icon to open the layout menu. When the layout menu opens, you'll see several choices, from a single chart to multiple panes split side by side or stacked on top of each other. Select the layout that matches how you want to view your charts. For a classic overlay feel, choose a layout with 2 or more panes, either horizontally or vertically. TradingView will instantly reorganize your workspace to match so you can compare instruments, timeframes, or strategies without losing your place. After you select the layout, each pane acts like a fully functional chart. You can keep the same symbol across panes to compare different timeframes or use different symbols to study correlations and divergences. Because the panels share the same time axis, visual alignment is straightforward. If you prefer a clean, minimal look, pick a 2-panel layout. If you need broader context, go with 3 or 4. You can always change your mind and pick another arrangement from the same layout menu. Switching is seamless and doesn't affect your drawings or indicators within each pane. A quick tip for clarity: try to keep your chart styles consistent across panes. Using the same color scheme and indicator settings makes comparisons easier on the eyes. If your screen feels crowded, reduce the number of panels to highlight what matters most, then expand again when you're ready for a deeper dive. When you're done comparing, you can return to a single view by opening the layout menu again and choosing the one chart option. This brings your focus back to a dedicated chart without discarding the work you've done in other panes. That's the entire process. Click the square layout icon at the top, then select the layout that best supports your comparison. With this quick approach, you can overlay your analysis in seconds and make better, faster decisions in TradingView. Thanks for watching and happy charting.